In Assam, 4 ministers and the deputy speaker are among the candidates contesting on 39 of the state's 126 seats. In 2016, the BJP won 22 of the seats. The Ahom Gana Parishad won 2. The Bengali-dominated Barak Valley is drawing the most attention this phase. Up to 15 seats will witness key contests. Addressing a rally in Assam's Kokrajhar, the Prime Minister said people in Assam have shown the red card to the Congress-led Grand Alliance in the state. He also accused the previous Congress governments of being a mute spectator to unbridled violence in the Bodo-dominated areas of the state.
Your party has made CAA one of its main plank for the elections, but here you don't speak about it. So this is kind of a double speak. Will it hurt the party poll prospects?
See, it is not true that no one speaks. See, let me tell you. The bill, CAB, what we refer to as CAB, was introduced in Parliament when NRC was an ongoing process. People were scared of the NRC, especially Bengali Muslims and Bengali Hindus, because they were scared of racial profiling. So when CAB came, they saw it as a lifeline. But since then, after the last Lok Sabha election till now, BJP has proved beyond doubt to the people, especially the Bengali people, Hindu Bengali and Bengali Muslim, that they are not serious about CA. CA is for foreigners. Which Bengali person will put on record that they are foreigners? That's why BJP is not taking out the rules. The moment the rules come out, it will be the death of Bengalis in Assam.
Why is Ajmal such a big factor, or is he really a big factor?
Ajmal ji has got 14 seats he's contesting in and few friendly fights or whatever. Now, BJP is nervous about this alliance. And BJP basically has no answers to the real issues like unemployment, like corruption, syndicate at large, like communal politics, betraying the people of Assam. So because they don't have a narrative to counter their failure, they are focused on our alliance. BJP also has an alliance. Nobody is talking about the BJP alliance. Our guarantees have rattled the BJP. They don't have an answer because they have not delivered. Can an alliance partner with 14 seats demand a chief minister? No. So, you can use communal politics. But today, people are hungry, people are jobless, people are fed up of corruption and syndicate, people are fed up of paying commissions at the secretariat, people are fed up of being put in jail by posting something in Facebook. They want a change. And BJP is fearful of the alliance.
देखिए ये बात तो सही है कि बड़ा घाटी आज से नहीं 91 से यहाँ से आप लोग का जानकारी है ही पहले जब हमारा कोई मेंबर असेंबली में नहीं था तो बड़ा घाटी का 91 में 9 असेंबली सीट हम लोग चुन के गया यहाँ से साथ ही साथ 2 MP भी कोई आदमी को बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है अजमल को पहचानता है और यहाँ का जो कांग्रेस का जो लीडरशिप है आज का दिन में लीडर कौन है कोई लीडर ही नहीं है कांग्रेस में आज का दिन में इन लोग कोशिश में है कि अजमल को इन लोग मुख्यमंत्री बनाएगा हाँ ये बात सही है हिंदू मुसलमान का बात आता है मगर हम लोग जो बोलता हूँ कि ये जो कोविड-19 का कंटामिनेशन हुआ था हमारा सरकार ने जितना हो सके ये हर आदमी का पास में रहने का कोशिश किया इसमें तो हिंदू मुस्लिम आया नहीं जितना हम डेवलपमेंट का जो हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट लिया इसमें भी कोई जगह पे एक भी आदमी बोल नहीं पाता है कि वो हिंदू मुस्लिम करके हम लोग लिया
अभी भी जो डेवलपमेंट की जो स्पीड है वो जितनी होनी चाहिए वो नहीं हुई रास्ते अभी भी बहुत खराब हैं यहाँ पे जो 5 ग्राम में जो पेपर मिल बंद होकर रखा हुआ है मुझे याद है प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की रैली में मैं भी था कवर कर रहा था उन्होंने एक दावा किया था कि उसको बचाने की कोशिश करेंगे बीजेपी इसमें विफल रही
देखिए ऐसा है हमारा जो 5 साल में जितना बराक वैली में डेवलपमेंट हुआ मैं इधर खड़ा होकर आपका सामने में बोल सकता हूँ लास्ट 25 साल में कांग्रेस ये कर नहीं पाया अब जो डेवलपमेंट का बारे में बोल रहा है रास्ता का बारे में बोल रहा है आप ही बोलिए आज से 5 साल पहले गुवाहाटी से आप आया है तो गुवाहाटी जाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता था 18 आवर्स इट टेक्स आज का दिन में 6 घंटा में जा सकता है
Polling continues in all the 39 constituencies in Assam which has gone to poll today. In fact, this is the second phase polling which is taking place. We are coming to you from Sonabari Ghat, which is part of the Sonai constituency in Barak Valley region. Now, this is a Muslim-dominated region, and here Last time BJP had created a political history when its candidate Aminul Haq Lashkar won this seat. He was the only Muslim candidate from the BJP who had won in 2016. He went on to become the Deputy Speaker of the State Legislative Assembly, but this time around he is contesting on BJP ticket, but against him there is a Mahajot candidate from AIUDF. And you can see behind me there are a lot of people who have turned out despite heavy rains, and this has been the scene everywhere in Barak Valley region. Now in Barak Valley, usually because of the demography, since the Muslim and the Hindu population is almost neck to neck, there has always been polarization of the votes. But this time, the kind of polarization which Barak Valley might see might be very unparalleled, given the fact that there have been a high-pitched campaign from both the parties in terms of trying to polarize the votes. But what we saw at ground zero in Muslim areas or even in Hindu areas in Barak Valley, more than religious polarization, what is in the minds of people perhaps is the issues which dominate their life on a day-to-day basis, like the basic amenities, like jobs, and also the development works. So in that way, perhaps this will not only be an election of polarization, but this might be an election where people would look at the type of candidates that the parties have fielded in different constituencies. From Sonabari Ghat with camera person Sanjay Chakravarti, Ratnadeep Chaudhary, Finding TV.